All right guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to take a look at the winter quarterly box from Nomadik. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. So today we're going to take a look at the winter quarterly box from Nomadik. Now, if you're new to my channel, Nomadik used to do monthly boxes. They have stopped doing monthly subscription boxes, and now all they do is quarterly boxes. So they do 4 a year, and this is the winter. They have a spring, summer, fall, and winter box, and this is the winter box. Now, I have no idea what's in this box. I haven't even seen their ad for it on their website, so we're going to dive in and we're going to look at it together. So we're going to be using the Gerber dime to get into this box. Now, I am an affiliate for Nomadik. They did send me this box for free to unbox and open for you guys, but if you like what you see, there is a link to Nomadik in the description below. So this is the Gerber dime. It's got a cool little box opener on here, what we want to use to cut that tape. Get tape off of that, close that up. Now, let's see what we got. All right, I see something big in the very, very bottom. All right, let's go. So we have a Aqua Bend soft water bottle, 750 milliliter or 25 ounces. Okay, so it's got just the cap that comes off and pops on. Little ring here that you can hang it. So there you go, little collapsible water bottle. Oh, we got a feeds 2 tired, hungry explorers. This is from Next Generation Backcountry Meals. This is backcountry chili. Could have used this a couple weeks ago when our power was out from a hurricane for over a week, but right on Trek, your doorway to the backcountry. Cooks fresh in 7 minutes. Made in Montana in small batches. So there you go. Exotac fire sleeve for your Bic lighter, a waterproof housing for your Bic lighter. That's pretty cool. Has a little lanyard hole here. You can attach it to your keychain, you can attach it to your backpack, whatever, and you can have you a little waterproof housing for your lighter. All right, what we have, loop rope, tie downs made easy, fully adjustable, safer than bungee cord, never tangles, no knots required. It's 5 foot long. So we're gonna have to check this out and play around with this. Looks like it comes with 2 S beaners, and it is a 5 foot long with loops made throughout it. So we'll deep dive into that. Ooh, a Gerber Swagger pocket knife. All right, so you know we're gonna deep dive into this. This is 7CR steel, serrated edge, and a textured grip. It is a liner lock with a belt clip. The handle is G10 composite, black oxide coating on the stainless steel blade. So there you go, the Gerber Swagger. I've never heard of that one. And then the big item, Lake. This is a dry bag backpack. Let's open this thing up, see if there's any information. They didn't give us a pamphlet with this. We didn't get a pamphlet with this box or a sticker. I'm kind of upset. So, okay, pretty solid straps here. I like that this is a waterproof dry bag. So I like that the main part of the straps appears to be water resistant, waterproof. Lake, L-A-E-K is the brand. So pretty good padding back here on your back. D-rings along the straps with adjustable shoulder straps. A grab handle on the top. Front, let's see what we got. So kind of molly loops on the front, down both sides, with a waterproof zipper. Pretty good little size pocket there. A mesh pocket on the side. And wow. So it's got an inside pocket. It's gonna be hard to show you the inside pocket, but it's got an inside zippered pocket that's just kind of flat. It would hold like your cell phone, maybe your wallet. It's got some Velcro strips on the back. So I guess they must sell like attachments or something. Let's see if this tells us how big it is. 30 liter. Okay. Add-ons, a laptop sleeve, a 4-liter dry pouch, a waist belt, and gear ties. So those are all add-ons that you could get to go with this. But this thing is massive. Look at the bottom. And then if you're not familiar with dry bags, roll top dry bags, you roll the top down 3 or 4 times. Let's see. Once you have it full, roll it down 3 or 4 times, and then find your clip. You clip it together. So of course this would make more sense to roll it the other way, so this wouldn't be hitting you in the head. But now you have a waterproof backpack, basically. Now, it's not super light. I don't know if it tells us our weight on this. It doesn't tell us our weight. I'm curious to see what it weighs. But if you knew you were going somewhere that it was gonna be raining, this saves you a pack cover. It feels pretty durable. I'll try to look up and see what these sell for, but it doesn't look like it would be cheap. So there you go. Pretty awesome gear. And you know I'm gonna go through this knife and I'm gonna give you a full review of it. We're gonna test it out, but we're gonna do that with this too, because I've never seen these before and I'm curious. I always carry a big lighter with me everywhere I go, so having a way to make it waterproof would be really awesome. Backcountry meals, you can never have too many of those if you use them, and usually they have a pretty long shelf life. This one says to use by July of 2025, so you got a little less than a year for that one. And then a collapsible water bottle. Those are always nice to have. So, especially with me, I use a water filter. So I gather my water, I filter it. So having a way to filter it, something to filter it in that's collapsible, is pretty awesome. So there you go. That is the winter quarterly box from Nomadik. Go check out Nomadik, link in the description below. I will do my best to get prices for all of this stuff and put in there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And I'll see you in the comments. Drop me a comment. Have you purchased anything from Nomadik? Do you plan to? And what are your thoughts on this box? It is a pretty nice box. With quarterly boxes, you always get at least one big item. And so there you go. So I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.